हेलो फ्रेंड्स, एग्जाम आने वाले हैं और समझ नहीं आ रहा एग्जाम की तैयारी कहाँ से करें और कैसे करें। तो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर से आप कर सकते हैं अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100%, क्योंकि इन पेपर से आते हैं एज इट इज क्वेश्चन या फिर उन्हीं सिमिलर टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन जो कि इन पेपरों में ऑलरेडी पूछे जा चुके हैं। तो अपनी तैयारी को कंप्लीट करने के लिए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स करना हो जाता है बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल तैयारी एग्जाम की। इस चैनल पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं सभी सेमेस्टर और सभी स्ट्रीम्स के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर को, जिनको कर आप कर सकते हैं अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100%। तो मेक श्योर कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ, कलीग्स के साथ शेयर करें ताकि वो भी कर सके अपनी एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100%। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एमएड सेकंड सेमेस्टर का पेपर 201 फिलोसफिकल फाउंडेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन। ये पेपर हुआ है ईयर 2024 में। तो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, अगर आपके लिए वीडियो हेल्पफुल होती है तो इसे लाइक जरूर करें प्लीज, एंड कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर करें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, अ फिलोसफी बॉर्न ऑफ डिस्पेयर। आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, एग्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ड्रायस्ट एनन दृश्यते अनेन इत दर्शनम। Philosophy is given by, answer is option number C, Upanishad. Question number 3, who said school is dead? Answer is option number C, Ivan Illich. Question number 4, naturalism fails to satisfy which of the following? Answer is option number C, educational ideals. Question number 5, which is emphasized in realism curriculum? Answer is option number D, fact. Question number 6, who gave the concept of village school? Answer is option number B, Sri Aurobindo. Question number 7, who gave the concept of true education? Answer is option number C, Aurobindo. Question number 8, which among the following is different? Answer is option number D, Karl Marx. Question number 9, who said knowledge is virtue? Answer is option number C, Socrates. Question number 10, education is a tripolar process. Answer is option number A, John Dewey. Question number 11, education is a dynamic aspect of philosophy. Answer is option number B, John Dewey. Question number 12, nothing can taught, everything can be learned. Whose statement is this? Answer is option number C, Vivekanand. Question number 13, what is the means of introspection philosophy? Answer is option number B, looking within. Question number 14, by education I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in child and man, body and spirit. Answer is option number A, Gandhi. Question number 15, who said that knowledge is power? Answer is option number D, Russell. Question number 16, who is the author of Republic? Answer is option number B, Plato. Question number 17, why should education be given? The answer to why education should be given is found in, answer is option number B, philosophy. Question number 18, which branch of philosophy deals with knowledge? Answer is option number B, epistemology. Question number 19, meaning of a soul feeling? Answer is option number B, knowledge of soul. Question number 20, moral value of life is related to which principle of philosophy? Answer is option number C, axiology. Question number 21, idealistic philosophy is concerned with? Answer is option number A, idea. Question number 22, education is a bipolar process? Answer is option number A, DB. Question number 23, which among the following is correct statement? Answer is option number C, education is a dynamic part of philosophy. Question number 24, fundamental aim of education is? Answer is option number B, all around development of individuals. Question number 25, what is the need of child in terms of education? Answer is option number A, modification of behavior. Question number 26, the main objective of idealistic education is? Answer is option number A, self-realization. Question number 27, education is dynamic aspect of philosophy? Answer is option number C, Aurobindo. Question number 28, who said education is the midwife of democracy? Answer is option number B, John Dewey. Question number 29, education is complete development of a person? Answer is option number A, Aristotle. Question number 30, according to Vivekananda, education is a process? Answer is option number B, harmonious development of all powers. Question number 31, Rabindranath Tagore established a school at which of the following place? Answer is option number A, Bolpur. Question number 32, like a magnet, education must have two poles? Answer is option number B, Adams. Question number 33, who said education is our birthright? Answer is option number C, Locke. Question number 34, who said a person without society is a mere imagination? Answer is option number D, Locke. Question number 35, role of education in the context of culture? Answer is option number D, B and C. Question number 36, who gave a negative concept of education? Answer is option number A, Rousseau. Question number 37, class is structured normally measured by? Answer is option number A, social status. Question number 38, which of the following is not a form of naturalism? Answer is option number B, psychological naturalism. Question number 39, how many Tirthankars have there been in Jain philosophy? Answer is option number A, 24. Question number 40, who is the advocate of experimental learning? Answer is option number C, cognitivistic. Question number 41, caste system can give rise to? Answer is option number A, closed society. Question number 42, Nirvan is the aim of which education? Answer is option number C, Buddhist education. Question number 43. Internal nature of a person is generated by answer is option number B. Culture. Question number 44. Functions of a school. Answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 45. Democracy and education in the book of answer is option number A. DB. Question number 46. In the idealistic education process, the main place is given to answer is option number B. Teacher. Question number 47. Advait Mankhandan book is written by answer is option number C. Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 48. Ramakrishna Mission is established by answer is option number B. Vivekanand. Question number 49. According to dictionary, what is the meaning of value? Answer is option number D. Utility. Question number 50. School is miniature of society. Answer is option number A. John D.B. Question number 51. Education term is synonymous to answer is option number A. Guidance. Question number 52. Writer of family is answer is option number C. Rousseau. Question number 53. Aurobindo philosophy is based on answer is option number C. Yoga philosophy. Question number 54. Main characteristic of adjustment is answer is option number C. Satisfaction and pleasure. Question number 55. Education system propagated by Rousseau. Answer is option number C. Learning by activity. Question number 56. Whose ideology is that education should adopt the aim of Satyam, Shivam and Sundaram? Answer is option number A. Idealism. Question number 57. According to idealism, main aim of education is answer is option number A. Self-realization. Question number 58. According to realism, a teacher must keep in mind an important things. Answer is option number B. Relevance of taught things and value. Question number 59. Most important aim of education is answer is option number B. Character development. Question number 60. Work is main principle of which philosophy? Answer is option number C. Vedanta and Buddhism. Question number Buddhism. Question number 61. Idealistic belief in which type of discipline? Answer is option number C. Religious discipline. Question number 62. Which philosophy believe in spiritual world? Answer is option number B. Idealism. Question number 63. According to Upanishad and result of education is answer is option number A. Moksha. Question number 64. Plato's relationship with Vivekananda is the same as Rousseau's. Answer is option number C. Dr. Radhakrishnan. Question number 65. Find out odd among the following. Answer is option number D. Plato. Question number 66. Main carriage center of Vedic period education. Answer is option number A. Takshila. Question number 67. Means of philosophy. Answer is option number C. To contemplate. Question number 68. What was the nature of education during Vedic period? Answer is option number B. Individual. Question number 69. Which paper or did Aurobindo edit? Answer is option number C. Karma Yogini. Question number 70. What type of university is Vishwa Bharati? Answer is option number B. Central University. Question number 71. Where is Maharishi Aurobindo Educational Experiment Center? Answer is option number C. Pondicherry. Question number 72. According to Swami Vivekananda, who should have authority over spiritual truth? Answer is option number D. Masses. Question number 73. What is MLA? Answer is option number C. Name of a book. Question number 74. Where did Rishi Aurobindo get the most inspiration for independence? Answer is option number D. Vande Mataram. Question number 75. The education of Vedic period was mainly based on answer is option number D. Ved. Question number 76. Which branch of philosophy based on child-centered education? Answer is option number C. Naturalism. Question number 77. Element theory is proposed by answer is option number A. Plato. Question number 78. According to behavioristic learning is the result of answer is option number C. Reinforcement. Question number 79. Action is real thought. Action in real thought is the instrument. Answer is option number B. Pragmatism. Question number 80. Writer of evolution of education theory. Answer is option number D. Ross. Question number 81. State is the means of education. Answer is option number A. Formal. Question number 82. Doctrine of ideas was propounded by answer is option number A. Plato. Question number 83. Pragmatism believes in answer is option number A. Individual and society. Question number 84. Which branch of philosophy deals with the question what is the nature of reality? Answer is option number C. Ontology. Question number 85. Which of the following is considered as oldest branch of sixth darshan? Answer is option number C. Sankhya. Question number 86. Who emphasized that the education is life itself and not a preparation of life? Answer is option number A. John Dewey. Question number 87. Which among the following was founder of pragmatism? Answer is option number A. C.S. Peirce. Question number 88. According to which of the following ultimate truth is matter? Answer is option number B. Realism. Question number 89. Most effective punishment for a student is answer is option number D. Suspension. Question number 90. Source of idealism is answer is option number D. Self-realization. Question number 91. According to Ved, creation of universe answer is option number D. No beginning, no end. Question number 92. Which schools of education philosophy emphasizes on co-education? Answer is option number A, pragmatism. Question number 93. Who said that there should be lady teacher in girls' school? Answer is option number A, Gandhi. Question number 94. Who gave the project method? Answer is option number A, John Dewey. Question number 95. Nature of Sankhya philosophy. Answer is option number B, conscious and inactive. Question number 96. Which among the following is not an idealistic thinker? Answer is option number B, Rousseau. Question number 97. Religion and Society is written by. Answer is option number C, Radhakrishnan. Question number 98. Who is the founder of Yoga Darshan? Answer is option number A, Patanjali. Question number 99. Pragmatist gave most emphasis to. Answer is option number B, utility. Question number 100. Who among the following established progressive schools? Answer is option number B, John Dewey. तो ये था आपका पेपर ऑफ फिलोसफिकल फाउंडेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन। आई होप ये वीडियो आपके एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगी। मेक श्योर कि प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें। कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी। किसी भी क्वेश्चन या ऑप्शन में अगर आपको डाउट है तो उसे आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कर सकते हैं। जो भी करेक्शंस होंगे उन्हें हम पिन कर देंगे फॉर एवरीवन टू सी। Once again, thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and keep supporting. Thank you everyone.